Welcome back to the Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we're in Southwest Cape Coral, and I want to show you this brand new listing my wife just got. It's a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage with a pool. What's really nice about this home is that it comes fully furnished. Most of the furniture that you see comes with it. So that way, if you're planning to come in this winter, you just buy it and you come this winter. You don't have to worry about buying any furniture. Also, you're thinking about renting it when you're not using it. It's also a convenience. It brings almost everything that you need. Okay, so let's take a look at this beautiful home. You have your beautiful coconut trees, beautiful mature landscape, double car garage. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to go around the home and then we'll move inside. Okay? We're here on the side of the house. This house is very well maintained. That's where your AC is. And check out this backyard. Check out that fence. Nice, huh? Okay. Stand over here. So he has a pool and he still has a pretty decent backyard. And the landscaping, tell me what you think. Very nice. It's the outside of the pool. We'll get to the pool after we do the tour inside the home, so we'll get to that. And today's a beautiful day here. Check out the beautiful sky. Temperature's like 90, but it's really nice. Check out the landscape. You got some banana trees. It's the nice thing about this area here. You could plant a lot of fruits. Okay, so now we'll move into the house. Just want to let you know, if you want to know the price and more information on this property, feel free to go in the description below and hit the link, and that link will give you everything about this home. And if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We're in. Check it out. This is what Florida living is all about. This home is very nice decorated. It's very, pastel colors, Florida style. So if you're looking for a second home to spend your winters, this is a nice, cozy home that could be it, okay? So let's start here in the living room. Pretty nice size living room. Over here's your dining room. Stand over here so you can see the size. Nice thing about the dining room, has those beautiful French doors towards the pool. It's very nice. Now let's take a look at the master bedroom. Here's the master. The home comes with everything you see in it, at least most of it. Maybe there's some things that the owner might take, but most of the stuff are staying. Here's your bathroom. That's the bathroom. And you have also a closet here. That's a door that leads to the pool, so it's very convenient if you have guests and you don't want to use the bathroom. They don't have to go through the whole house. It's just come in here and use the bathroom. and that's a walk-in shower. We're back here. Check out the nice window. I don't know if I showed it on the last. Look how nice bright makes this room. Very nice window. This home is located in the Southwest Cape Coral in a very nice neighborhood. The homes across the street, they're all Gulf access, so they're very nice. And it's a very nice area here. In the sense of, you know, mature landscaping, and the homes are amazing. Okay, over here we're back here at the kitchen. You got your stainless steel appliances. Stand over here so you see this stove, microwave. And one of the nice things is the sink looking towards the pool. So if you have kids, you could be washing your dishes and taking a look at them on the pool. We'll go to the pool later. Let me show you the other side of the house. Okay. Now this is the family room. As you can see, it has high ceilings. And he has this beautiful slider that leads to the pool, and you can see everything that's going on from here. Okay, over here to my right, I got the first bedroom here, bedroom number 1. Closet over there in the corner, nice window. The floors, they're laminated in the bedrooms and old tile throughout the house, okay? And this is your guest bathroom. And here is bedroom number 2. With your closet over there. Okay, so now let's go outside. Oh wait, one more thing, the garage. Almost forgot. Here's your double car garage. And remember, most of everything here comes with the house. So you got your pool floaties, bicycles, you got your helmets for the bicycles, you got some rackets there I can see, you got a football, you got beach chairs with umbrellas, games. All of this comes with the house, okay? So if you buy this house, you have all the furniture, you have all the stuff that you need to live here in Florida. So, and here's your laundry. Wash and dryer. And now let's go outside to the pool. Check it out. It's all screen. So during winter, like I said in my previous videos, right around October, it starts cooling off. You don't get this 90 degrees anymore. People tend to open the windows, open the doors, and they tend to spend a lot of time outside. So it's very nice. It has a pretty nice cover area. Check out the pool. Over there in the back, I don't know if you can see barbecue. Well, tell me what you think about this home. I want to hear your comments. And please, to all my subscribers out there, you will do me a great favor if you like it, if you maybe write some comments. And for the new people that are watching my videos, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to make my channel a little bigger, and I'm going to be doing a lot of more videos coming out now in August. I'm going to start moving around Southwest Florida a little, so you get to see a little bit of everything. And check out my drive-by videos that I do around neighborhoods, and I give you on the description, I give you the prices around that neighborhood, how much they cost, so you get an idea. So feel free to look at my drive-bys. I'm going to be doing different cities here in Southwest Florida, and I'm also going to try to do a lot of new construction that are being built around here. So see if I could get to some model homes. So thank you again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.